Hello and welcome to my channel Work of NVK. In this video I'm going to show you how to create nude lips. So at first I'm taking the nude lip liner, which is Swiss Beauty's lip liner Choco Nude. I am overlining my lips. I'm taking a nude lip shade. You can take a concealer as well. Again, reshape your lips with lip liner. Here you go with the nude matte lips. This is how I create my nude lips. If you want the glossy look, you can use clear gloss. This nude lips can go with any outfit, especially with the dark ones. If you are doing bold eye makeup, this nude lip look will definitely go with that.